Go and check what the Muparingas, the Inzwirashe Matemas, the Shavas, and the Chambweras are today. This is where you should be if you are not a good leader. As we sit here, Jesus Revelation Ministries, it now has 4 properties in its name. And one of those properties is a farm, not given as an offering by believers, acquired with money. Ndakatogara panapa kudai, jara yemine properties 4 ari muzita mayo. Go and check what the Muparingas, the Inzwirashe Matemas, the Shavas, and the Chambweras are today. This is where you should be if you are not a good leader. Those are the people I found when they were preaching at Gomba. Vanhu ndataura vari 4 kunze kwashava bedzi. Vari 3 ava ndakavasvikira vachiparidza. Takasvika Chambwera ani more than 5 years achiparidza paGomba. Takasvika Muparinga ani more than 4 years achiparidza paGomba. The same with Matema. Just Google and search on their names and see where they are with their ministries. Some of them are still preaching without a microphone. And they have good reasons for that. The economy is not good. Hatina chikwereti izvezvi sechechi. Kugovernment yeZANU-PF kana sezvakaita vana Gutini naMutendi. Vane zvikwereti zvehurumende, zvematarakita nemadhiziri nemafotereza. Kereke yedu ine haina chikwereti kubhenki kana kuhurumende. Chegore rakapera 2024. Izvozvo hazviti kuende vanhu vanoabhuza cheche mari yechechi izvozvo. As we speak right now, Jesus Revelation Ministries has a fleet of not less than 20 vehicles. Among those cars, there are trucks, tine marori, tine makombi. Anoshandiswa kuita basa raMwari. If we were abusing church funds, we couldn't have those things.
Yes.
We have media equipment that is not worth less than $500,000.
Amen.
We can literally raise $500,000 from the media equipment we have. $500,000 worth of media equipment. Look at the quality of the video you are watching right now.
Yes.
Go and check Muparinga's quality of video in his church. Go and check Chambwera's video. Go and check Magaya's video. Compare with ours. This is not the quality of people who don't prioritize the work of the gospel. And so we are happy with where we are.
This is Apostle T.F. Chiwenga bragging about the success that he has made since the advent of his Christian ministry, Jesus Revelation Ministries, to say, Hanzi atabudirira, taita mabasa makuru. Look at us patakatangira nepatave, tato nemakombi, tato nema generator. Look at even our media equipment. We can stream up to 4K live, something that we only see Shitwana Apostle T.F. Chiwenga here in Zimbabwe. And I can testify the man has made tremendous progress. And it's not easy. It actually shows that he has got good leadership skills, good administration skills. Munhu arikuziva zvaarikuita, munhu arikuziva kwaarikuenda, munhu arikuziva futi kwaarikubva. He is a very focused man. And he compares himself to the likes of an Evangelist Muparinga, an Evangelist Chambwera, an Evangelist Matema, who seem like they are stagnant. Panzvimbo 1. Pamwato panzvimbo 1. Pavakasiwa vari, ndo pavachiri. Pavachiri, ndo pavakasiwa vari. And if you look at it, not know, Apostle T.F. Chiwenga wachabatika pa many more. You can actually see. But why would Apostle T.F. Chiwenga compare himself to others? Is that even biblical? If you read 2 Corinthians 10 verse 12, for we dare not compare ourselves with those who measure themselves among themselves with themselves, measuring themselves among themselves with themselves and themselves, for they are not wise. Themselves ipapo akawanda comparing akawanda measuring akawanda pavhesi iroro. Saka I cannot quote it entirely correctly, but that is the reason why I have put it on the screen. Why? 2 Corinthians 10 verse 12, Paul is actually discouraging those who look at others and they start measuring themselves with others. Kuti iwe unotarisa ningi wobva kuti inini ndane mota, inini ndane imba, ningi asati ane mota, ningi asati ane imba, sikai ndakapenga. Bible rinotaura kuti you are not wise kana uchidaro. Inini ndane zvakati, inini ndane business, inini ndane mukadzi, inini ndane vana, ningi asati ane zvinhu izvozvo, sikai ndiri better. Hanzi, you are not wise. Or even the opposite, unotarisa ningi woti ningi ane zvakati, ningi atobudirira, ningi adai, ningi adai. Therefore, inini handisati ndazvita zvinhu izvozvo, saka it means kuti ndasara. Bible ruti you are not wise. Let us translate it to Christian terms. Apostle TF Chiwenga anotarisa Evangelist Muparinga obva kuti havasati vane media team, havasati vane type yemasutu andiri kupfeka, havasati vane a ministry as big as mine. Therefore, Evangelist Muparinga vakasara. Bible rutaura kuti kana uchidaro you are not wise, which means Apostle TF Chiwenga is not wise. Handisini ndiri kudaro. Why? Because Apostle TF Chiwenga being an apostle is actually different to Evangelist Muparinga being an evangelist, and is actually different to Prophet Magaya being a prophet. My offices are, if they are actually genuine offices which they were called by God to occupy, it means that their calling also is different. You cannot expect them to be at the same level or to run the same race because God called them differently. The same way that I myself, I am different from DJ Ola, I'm different from Kundechi team, I'm different from Sparks, I'm different from Gambakwe or Tafi the Men or the much praised Dara BBM Slang. I am different from them because we run a different race. For me to look at those guys and say, you are not, I will actually not be wise. Race is really different. Just the same way, you will ukada kuzvimezha namwana mu life, uchiona success or failure yewamwe compare ne success yako or failure yako, unenge usiri wise because the race that you are running is different. The starting point and the finishing point is different. And the one who called you, the one who appointed a destiny for you, has got something different for you. So Apostle TF Chiwenga cannot come and start comparing himself to the likes of an Evangelist Muparinga, Prophet Magaya, Evangelist Chambwera, because God who called them differently for a different purpose and for a different destiny. And Mubabata. So I cannot say the Apostle TF Chiwenga is not wise, but the Bible can say that Apostle TF Chiwenga, based on what he's doing, is not wise. And I would advise him to take careful. I know that tells us about this.
Zico is a journalist. He comments on doctrinal matters. Whatever gives Zico $1 is what he will publish. At best, he's a journalist. He's a journalist. Journalist.